Hey guys, this is S-Man Outdoors. I'm over here in Oakely Forest Wildlife Management Area. I've been here about, I would say like an hour and a half. It's my first time out here. So I really don't know the lay of the land that well, but I came in through some rough terrain down a deep, I guess, slope and crossed two creeks. I'm sitting over here close to the bank of one of these creeks, like a third location. I saw a whole bunch of deer tracks leading down to the creek, so I decided to just take a seat nearby to see if anything is gonna appear from that direction or any one of these directions, because I believe the deer are crossing that creek to either go look for food or go to their beds. I'm not really sure. So like I said, I'm just sitting down, just trying to assess opportunities in here, and we'll be exploring further this WMA to look for open pastures, because right now I'm really in some thick area, you know. More to come. Hey guys, so I'm out here at Robert Duncan. I was at Oakely Wildlife Management in the morning. I left there just before midday. Didn't see too much action besides, some obvious deer tracks and some, I believe it's either scrapes or rubs in the ground. So I just came out here to Robert Duncan because I'm more familiar with this WMA. And just been walking through the woods, been here about 30 minutes. I've seen some tracks. Some of them appear to be fresh, so I'm just trying to see if I can follow behind. And I just came upon this deer bed. I believe this is the deer bed. So let's see what happened. Been in the woods all day. Started out at Oakely Wildlife Management Area. Now I'm in Robert Duncan. Been here for about 3 hours. Haven't seen anything. So I just decided to have a seat and be patient and see if I can have a deer walk by me, a buck. So let's see what happens. Alright guys, I'm calling it a day. I didn't see any deer today. It's 4:15. I've been out all morning or all day. I left home at like 5:45. So my phone said I walked about 8 miles. So I'm beat, hungry, but I'm looking forward to another day. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and consider subscribing and liking this video. Thanks.